responsible man, husband material. Good morning, good morning. Hey world. How are you beautiful people doing? Hope you're doing amazing. This is after the rain, another day. It's a bright early morning here in Africa, Siaya County, the land of intellectuals. Yes, we get the lawyers, doctors, nurses, tall, dark and handsome men are all gotten here. Yeah, and also we get beautiful ladies with melamine popping. And today I want to cry, I want to laugh, I want to cry because my tree is going down. My tree is going down, guys. I decided just to use what I have. Of course we plant them so that we can use them. Yeah, we plant them to use them. I don't like cutting trees, but I'm forced to, guys. For this one I have to cut. It has grown so big. And okay, be careful, be careful. It wants to fall down. I feel like crying, guys. I don't know who is with me, who can relate that when you cut your trees you feel so bad. Regan, it's going to fall the other side. Yeah. Can I help you?
On this side.
Okay. Be careful. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. That's why I was telling you to wait for that mason to come and help you. Let it fall this other side. Yeah. We give it a push? Okay. I don't want it to fall on my fence. It's falling, it's falling. It's falling on my... Oh, my cheeks. My cheeks are really scared of that. But it will grow again, Regan, right? Huh? It will germinate again. There is another one there that has germinated, and the other one the other side.
It will bring up several branches.
Several, more than even 3.
It's good that even now we have cut it off now that it is raining.
Yeah. Regan, just see how this farm has got a lot of stones, big ones.
Those people are just saying, you don't want to collect. Even this one. This stone, whenever you meet any stone,
Yeah.
throw it even along the fence.
I always throw. I don't want to let it like... So Regan, how will you carry this one? That's why I was telling you, let that mason come.
This one.
So that my...
To drag it after chopping off the leaves. I can drag it to there.
Because of, how do we call it?
Okay,
my maize. Work on it.
let me work on this part.
Even you have not said hi to our people today, Regan.
But
Regan, be careful of my maize.
okay.
Say hi, then you continue. It's a bright morning.
Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, wherever you're watching us from, we are in Africa. And now in Africa, we work morning, evening, night, we rest.
Only at night is when we rest, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, it was so big. Those ones I'm going to cook with them. Just put them there. I'll come and collect them. Guys, it's when I'm waking up. It's not when I'm waking up. I woke up at 3. Today, I don't know, Nyaseje was sensing something outside, right, Regan? So it barks at night. It was like, ooh, ooh, ooh. I was so scared. I thought somebody was coming in. Because yesterday we bought materials. So I was telling Regan, maybe that person is coming for our materials that we bought yesterday. Anyway, I was overthinking. So Regan, be careful with my maize, kindly. The other time, the other guys spoiled them. I don't want them to get spoiled again. Or I can help you carry it and go and drag it the other side.
No, that one is yellow. Let me chop off this part.
Okay. We are in Siaya County, the land of intellectual, guys. and it's in the mood of building the chicken coop. Yeah, we are in the mood of building the chicken coop. I just imagine like I'm going to buy this tree. Regan, this tree is how much when you go to buy it from the...
Then you spend up to $3.
$3 is?
300.
Yeah, maybe 300 or 400. And then carrying it until here.
Yeah, then the expenses of
The
transport.
expenses of transport. So I decided just to take it from here, from my place. But I'm going to plant more and more trees. I'm not going to joke.
But you need to plant this type of tree.
The one that you are cutting is the best.
But you see the ones that I've done there is
So well.
I'm worried because there's no rain there. But when I get there and have a lot of plenty of rain.
Yeah.
I'm going to do more trees. Maybe like 200 trees.
Yeah, even me, I want to do them when I go to the market.
But it's just that they're very expensive.
Yeah.
One tree goes for 10 shillings.
What do we do? And our bananas are really doing well. They're all stuck. Next year I'll be a rich babe. Like I have bananas. I have the pizzas.
I told you, you have to do a ritual with the banana. Whenever it gives birth to berries, I'm the one to get the first, you know.
Regan, what are you trying to say? Regan, what are you trying to say? What are you saying?
But you heard me.
What are you saying?
You heard me, what I said.
Regan, let me finish up before our mason comes, guys. Because when he comes, it will be busy. Siaya County is really blessed. Regan, what are you saying? Kisumu, it's not raining. What's happening in your place? Hey Nyasiaya. Good morning. Good morning, Nyasiaya with the babies. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Cool Kid now wants to resemble a roaster. It's a roaster. It was not how we thought, guys. G, how are you? Sunrise. So Regan, what are you up to, guys, today?
Gonna lay 2 beds.
You're laying the beds first? Okay. So they're trying to lay the beds. Hey world, hey amazing people, welcome back again to my channel. This is Lavino Witty YouTube channel and I'm coming live from Kenya, that is in East Africa. The soil that I'm stepping on is Siaya County, the land of intellectual, guys. I hope the lighting is good. The land of intellectuals. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if this is your very first time coming across Mama Africa's YouTube channel, kindly don't forget to hit that subscription button, comment, like and share with your friends, guys, for us to reach larger audience, guys. Yeah, it's a bright morning here in the village that is in Siaya County, the land of intellectuals. And it's really a busy one, and I'm so glad that I'm sharing this with you, my people. Of course, it's the rainy season now, that's why the lighting is not that good, and also it gets sunny and then the sun goes away, but we thank God for everything. Yeah, so this is the second day that I'm constructing the chicken coop. And we want to see, it's going to end today. The work is going to end today. So I want to share with you everything. I want to share with you everything, guys, yeah? So stay tuned. I was forced to use a lot of trees from my place. I really feel bad that this space has now remained without trees. They have taken like 7 trees from here. Anyway, we'll still replant them more and more. Yeah. Here is Nyaseje, guys. Say hi to her. She wants to get in. She's camera shy. You see that? Nyaseje! Hi, Mama, come. Now she has become so playful, and sometimes she just wants to play with me, which is so good. Yeah. So your girl here, she's doing her chores. The same time she's also showing you what is going on in my home. That is the multi-million-dollar home. Yeah. So the base is just going to help with the termites, as we said, guys. So this is how it's done. They have started it. I think I showed you when it was when they had put this the downer part. I had not showed you this other side, and that is what is happening here. That is what is happening here, as you can see. Hey, these timbers are not a joke. They are really damn expensive, and that's why I'm always like, I want to plant a lot of trees. I want to plant a lot of trees. I don't want to joke with the trees. When these ones do well, and they stick 2 years, I'll also have some more trees, which will be a plus for us, guys. Yeah, I'm also planning to go and get some other blue gum. I was planning to go and get some other blue gums. The blue gum is the one that we are using here as the round poles, the ones that Regan the other side, he's cutting them. Yeah. So that is what is happening in construction. Even if it's a smaller structure, oh my god, it needs work, and a lot of being work for you to know what you are doing, for it to give the best results. Let me say that, for it to give best results. Yeah. Let's see what Regan is doing the other side. I really fear for my how are they called? I really fear for my... How has that cat gotten in my home? Guys, can you see a cat? A brown one. How has it gotten in my home? Or it's outside? There is a cat here. No, it's outside. It's going. It's running. Can you see it? I don't know. It wanted to get in, but I think the space is so small. You know, this other side, I didn't put the chicken wire, the small one. Look at it. It's going, guys. I think it's my neighbors. For now, G, you can't go to the other side as you used to go. For now, security tight. You know what I mean? Security tight. You can't go the other side. It's really tight. Regan, so all my trees are down. Guys, when you cut them, they grow like this. They grow even more than one. Like these ones are 3. You see? When you cut them. Let me use what I have. These ones Wesley planted. They're also growing so well. And this one was so big. Ber ahinya. Achiew maber mana in. Erokamano. Saying hi to my neighbor. You have to say hi. You have to say hi. I feel bad for my trees, guys. Are you feeling me? I just wanted them to be here. But anyway, in my native language, we say that the stick that is next to you is the one that you use to kill with it a snake. So this is the sticks that I have here. I have to use them to kill what I'm in need of. That is the chicken coop. I need it, and I can't get some trees somewhere, and I have trees here. So yeah. Hizo utachukua baadaye. Sam, hizo utachukua baadaye. Eh? How many trees so far have you cut? Hey, 7. Hey, that's a lot. That's a lot. I hope you're not going to cut another one. Fundi, mnaenda kukata ingine tena? Yesterday I told you that these were lemons. No, I told you the tree that I planted, it's called the pixel tree. These are what I'm going to get in return if I take care of them. From Machakos, Sukambani. No wonder their ladies are always this color and always so beautiful. So this is the sweetness that you always get in Machakos. Machakos, here I come. Yeah, they are so juicy, guys. Regan was like, hey, this is just juice on its own. You know, we really enjoyed them. Joy Love, thank you so much. So let me show you the trees for those of you that didn't watch. This is the tree, guys, but I planted it the wrong way. She advised me that I should like dig 3 by 3 with like a deep one, not the way I planted this one. But I'm going to work with manure. I'll let manure really work on it, guys. So if they grow well and become so big, this is what I'll have in my home. You can imagine. Imagine. I'll be a rich babe. You know. I will be so happy. Having this in the village, in our place here. Oh. The best feeling ever. Don't worry, see, Regan has been eating and just throwing them aimlessly. You just know boys, guys. You know boys. So, let me show you the work projects. I hear some iron sheet being done. Where are you going to? Hi, Mama. Guys, I just want to show you action. I'll not talk too much because of the sound of the iron sheet, the sheet, mabati. So just see what is happening. Then I'll talk later. Gikonya dong be ipidho gini wati kodi. Yawa, iwacho piyo piyo. In ipidho yien di? Oh. So guys, iwacho? Lakini mago dong gin ga sapras. Migedo ga go, koso igedo ga gi magi. Magi dong mano ma blue gum gi. Oh. So guys, I feel so bad. Today all my trees are going. Regan! No! Stop! Just a bit. Go for the other ones. Oh my god. Me I'm sad. Like I'm not happy today. Because seriously? The mason is laughing there. Like seriously, Regan? So I'm going to be left with how many trees? Those small ones. But the other ones have really dried up, Regan. I don't know the reason. Yeah, like last time. Wacha basi achukue hii kubwa. Lakini hii imegrow haraka sana.
Hii kidogo unaweka manure 2 years 3 years.
Isha grow. Lakini hata hizi nitadoyo, nitatafuta tu venye nitadoyo. So I'm vlogging and I'm speaking in Swahili. Sorry guys.
In Latin.
And Latin, guys, yeah. I'm sorry. So we are forced to take another tree. This one grew so fast. I think when we take this one down, it will make these other slim ones to grow. Maybe it's taking away the water. And then this one I'll just put some manure, organic manure. I want to be serious with the organic
Also
manure.
Your flowers need to do some manure.
Yeah, I need to do a lot of manure.
The one that you planted later.
Yeah.
I think they are wilting.
They've started drying up.
Yeah, it's like they're drying up.
Huh.
You need to do some manure.
Okay.
I told you to go to that man.
I will.
That mama.
Tomorrow, let's today finish this up so that those ones we can do tomorrow.
Wait, I don't see the dog house being done. Because
It will.
yeah, it will be done.
Yeah. So cut that one out. That one is enough.
Yeah, this one is enough.
Be careful of the fence. Oh my God! Today. Huh? I give you a push. Like help you push it down. Finish it up, then you call me. Let me show my people. This ones really need manure. Guys, I'm really struggling with the manure thing. I wish I have like goats or anything to come and help me here. So I want to show you what's happening here. How is the work? The work that has been done here. How is it? Oh, koro mano kuma gichieme?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Guys, let me show you. Ah! This one is not for here. Regan. So yeah, guys, I want to show you the process where it has reached our chicken coop, and you give me your thoughts, what you think about it, guys. So this is how it looks like. The back part looks like this, as you can see. And then it has some spacing, of course. This spacing was done because of the termites, so that the termites don't eat the structure. You see that? Yeah, and even some chicks can even be down here, guys. What do you think? The space, let me kneel down and see. Space is so big. Can kneel down here and be just down there, right? So this is the downer part. So hard. So this is their home, as you can see. I'll give you a tour when they are done. But for now, guys, it's so big. It can attain a lot of chicks. Yeah. Then this is the upper door. Yeah. Guys, what do you think about the structure? Akane toke ka ang ium matin. Ang imed mabati moro. Toke ka. Koso ena sawa. Oh. So I was thinking about the upper part. You see, it's like not really done finishing well. So I was asking whether I can do it a bit well up. All the finishing that will be done at the end will cover that other space. I don't know. Okay. These matafairis are spoiling, Riga. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that is what is happening. I know I've taken long without vlogging, but I want him to be done. When he's done is when I'll give you a tour of the place, and then you give me your suggestions, guys. Yeah. I almost forgot my shoes. Guys, in your place, do you always wash white shoes? Do you always wash your white shoes and then you cover them with a tissue for them to be brand, like clean, sparkling white? For me, that is what I do, so my shoes become so clean. This procedure I learned from my mom. My mom is the one that taught me. And I'm a white babe, guys. I love white that much. You see, even my torch is white in color. So at night, when I want to get out, I use this. And it will really help me when coming here in my home. When I'll be coming this other side, guys, there is so much that I need to show you from this other end, but let's just take a step at a time. I'll show you. So when I'll be coming here, I'll have my torch, like, you see that, you see, and then I get in. You see that it's not yet cleaned, this home of ours, but we're going to clean it soon. It's not yet clean, you see that. And then when I'm in my kitchen, like here, oh my god, I'll just be like doing like this, opening my window. I had already bought this one. Opening my window like that. I hope I'm doing the right thing. Am I doing the right thing? Why is it not opening? Oh, let me try first, and then I don't want to spoil anything. So I'll be watching my... Let me try and open it. Oh, it's opening, guys. I don't want any like loss now. So I'll be here in my kitchen, and then I can move my camera that way and see my chicks the other side, guys, from my chicken coop. You see that? It looks so cute. See that? Yeah. You see that? It's closed. I can't wait to move in here. Like now we start enjoying our kitchen and veranda, and it's just so cool. And checking on cool kid, you know. But guys, today it seems it will not rain. It has really rained this whole week, so today there is no possibility. Maybe at night. And you know, I'm mama veggies. I love veggies, so I'm here cooking some veggies. That is the cowpeas, spider plant, and the callaloo. Callaloo is always it's always like in Jamaica. We call it ododo in my native language. They're always so soft. Yeah, that is what I'm preparing here. I've gotten them from my farm. Let me show you, family. You see that? You see that? That is what Lavin is going to have. Is preparing for supper. So let's give them time. They finish up, and then I show you the final look. So this is going to be the feeder thing that they will be feeding on. Lakini walk moba. Koro giso aso dog gika. Okay. To nthindo matindo. Koso magi mana mama dongo.
Matindo kabe? Matindo kanyasa dog gika. Matindo kanya chiemo ka. Matindo unless oketne gike.
So I was asking about the chicks, the small ones. The small ones can't feed here. It needs G with the beautiful women. Yeah. Guys, you remember this white lady here? The one that was coming for Mr. G? She already has her babies. She has her babies already. They grow so fast. Multitasking, guys. Being a mom, that is what it means. So the other side, I think they are called feeders. Hizo vitu za kupatia food chakula ni zinaitwa feeders. These are the feeders, guys. Na nyeo maduong bachelo the waste. Macho. Hii inaweza tumika. Modongo. So these are the feeders, guys, that you are going to, like when they are in here, there is no need of getting like out. As you can see, family, loves, sweethearts, dads, moms, sisters, babies, infant, zygote. Welcome back again to my channel. Everything that got beginning got an end, and it has really been a journey. We've really tried our level best as human, and of course there is hiccups here and there, but we concentrate on the positive side, guys. So this is the house, the chicken coop that we decided to do. Just come nearer. I really love the door. The door is I think you need to do a needle here, a nail, so that it doesn't cut anyone. So the house is so big, guys. I thought it was so small when the structure was being done. It was being sketched. It is so big, guys. This one can even take like 30 chicks, right, Regan?
Yeah, this one can take up to 30 chicks.
Yeah, 30 chicks. It's so big, guys, you know. And what I also did is this, guys. You know, I'm a mom, and also sometimes I really get busy, maybe running my errands or going back to my fish business, guys, because it's rainy season and fish are now back. But because I had some tight schedule, that's why I didn't bring fish. I wanted to finish it up. So guys, put your orders when you want tilapia. Put your orders. Fish are coming soon, yeah. So I decided to buy this so that sometimes I just put food here. As you can see, I just put food here, and they need not to get out. Maybe I'm leaving in the morning. I just put them food here and I let them in here. No owl can come in and take them because this space is so small and I've locked every space. Yeah, so that's why I decided to put it this way, guys. And of course we used a plain sheet because we could not do this one. How do you call it? We could not do this.
Which one?
How is it called? We could not do these pillars. Like all of the structure, we could not do it, guys. Who?
Go on, someone was calling.
Who is that? How is it written?
Just move on.
Okay. Oh God, the day that I'll get GoPro, I'll be so happy. Like I'll be vlogging with my GoPro and no interactions. with my phone. So family, that is what has been done up there. As you can see, we did it two layers. Layers is the layer the correct word?
Yeah.
We did it 2 layers, as you can see. So we have another door here. We have another door here. So Regan, you can just show them when I'll have my babies, when my chicks will hatch. So I'll just let them be in the house. No being outside, like no owl. Bye bye owl. Maybe sometimes in the evening I can let them be out for some times, but not that much. Like now I want to plant veggies and everything, and the chicks will not allow me have my veggies, so I'll let them be in. I'll let them be in most of the time, yeah, because we want to venture into this thing and do it really good one, yeah. So you have seen the feeders, how it's done, my peeps. Just come and show them the back. The back. Why did you not take this one out? It's so risky. At the back, this is how it looks like. One nail has to be here. At the back, this is how it looks like. I just love it. Guys, what do you think about it? And how will you go about the stones?
Huh? These stones should just be collected because you see, when you need, there is more construction to be done. So this
we'll
one,
just put them somewhere.
even if you have that project that I was telling you, you can just collect them right here.
Right, but I just want them to be somewhere next to those
Concrete.
cocotos.
Next to those the concrete.
Concrete. I don't want them to be like, you see, like now the red blocks are here, these ones are here. It makes the environment not look so clean. I just want my environment to be clean, like no stones, cement, what. You know, tomorrow we'll just make them be in one space and clean that house, and then we get the sawdust. They are called the sawdust.
The sawdust.
Yeah, I have to get the sawdust, and I wish I could bring them yesterday. When I went to get the timber. So I'll get the sawdust, guys, and just put here. It makes it become so warm. I'll get a lot of sawdust. Yeah. So guys, that is all that is done. As you can see, that is what all that is done here. And now we have a chicken coop. Glory be to the Most High God. Glory be to God. Glory be to God and God alone, because He's the one that giveth us life, and He makes everything possible for us at the right time, in the right place, in the right manner. And you know, His plans are yes and amen. So we have to give Him all the glory each and every time, you know. And the hand that did this, may your cup never go dry. May God bless you and bless all your endeavors. I'm smiling, so it's upon loving to be more and more serious and be a great farmer, guys. You know, be a great farmer. And yeah, it will be so happy. I know you guys will get inspired. You can see this house is small like this, but it's really itching your head. You have to, like, it's stressful. I can't lie, guys. It's not that smooth as you guys think that it's just smooth. It's really some small things that are needed pettily, and it's so costly, but it's worth it. Yeah, it's worth it, a step at a time. You see, today I've worked until my trouser has torn. I don't know what happened. My trouser has torn. Why are you zooming it, Regan? You will make my crushes not to DM me. They'll say that that wife of ours is walking with torn trouser. It's part of life. And it's late now. We have to wind up our video, guys. What do you think? What are your thoughts about this? Those that are good in poultry farming thing. What should I do and what should I not do? I need to get even some padlocks here when I lock them here like this. Yeah. Yeah, guys. What about this? Need to hit it. Yeah. And yeah, guys, of course, you are God's favorite child. Let no one tell you otherwise. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your birthday wishes to my sons. Forever grateful. I don't take anything for granted. Until next time, see you on my next video. I love you all and bye. Adios. Toodles.